exactly how to use artificial intelligence. Now, most people have already heard of Chat GPT, the artificial craze, and all that. But I'm going to tell you specifically how to use it for your business and how you can use it for business funding, business credit cards, or any type of financing that you can get on the business side. So I just typed in top 10 business credit cards, right? And the downside with Chat GPT that a lot of people don't know, it's not like state specific. It's an artificial intelligence based on, it's not based on like local search, like Google Bard, which I'm about to tell you guys and show you. So I just typed in top 10 business credit cards. This is 2 years old. As of my last update, 2021, these are the top 10 business credit cards. Now, the good thing about this, about GPT, it can help you write a business plan. So if you're looking to get some sort of SBA loan, which is a lot of documentation that you have to provide a business plan. This is where it becomes handy. So as an example, so I typed in top 10 business credit cards. That's not such a great response, right? I could put, let me see, top five business credit cards that offer 0%. Let's see what comes up. See, this is 2 years old. This is going to give me a very broad answer. So look, it's not even going to give me an answer. It says, as of my laptop, it was less common for business credit card. So that's not a good response. But if I were to say, write me a SBA compliant business plan for what kind of business? Childcare. I'm just going to put childcare. Let's see what it comes up. So this is just going to give me, it's just going to give me a rough idea of what I can do. And then I can get, you see look at all the stuff that's coming up. This is all the stuff you need in order to submit for business funding for the SBA. So this is something that you can put in Chat GPT and you can get a response, something like this. So this is great. You can get even more specific. So Chat GPT works on the prompt. So you have to ask it very specific questions and it'll give you very specific answers. So you can't just say broad. But let me show you the other AI tool. It's called Google Bard. And this is a great tool if you're trying to do something locally. So I just put, give me the best business credit cards that are in the state of Virginia. Let's just say New Jersey. And maybe I wasn't specific. I should have maybe said credit union. I'm going to put that as my next prompt, but let's just see what it comes up with. Let's move this over here. Let's see what it says. So it's taking its time. And this is a difference between Chat GPT and Google Bard. Google Bard is actually roaming the internet to find things that are specific to that state. All right, so this is giving me a broad answer. So I'm going to get a little bit more specific. Give me the local credit unions in the state of New Jersey that offer business credit cards. Let's see what it comes up with. And I already did this for the state of Virginia, but I just want to try a different state to see if it gives me the same prompts. So look what it did. So Affinity Plus Federal Credit Union. Business credit card. This card offers welcome bonus of 25,000 points, et cetera, et cetera. Then you can, so I don't even know what these credit unions are. Never heard of these credit unions. So you can get very specific and local specific with Google Bard, and you can't do that with with Chat GPT. The difference is Chat GPT is more of a broad. It can give you very specific. It can give you specific answers, but not based on local search. If that makes sense. Guys, let me know in the comments if this is your first time here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about leveraging credit to create cash flow. We talk about business. We talk about finance. All right. So if you wanted to even get, what was the prompt that I asked it? Give me the local credit to offer business credit cards. Now I can say, give me all the local credit unions in the state of New Jersey that offer business lines of credit with no financials. Let's see what it comes up with. How do you spell financials? There we go. So now it's doing a search. Might take a few seconds, but this saves you a lot of time. This is where you can do some research, get strategic, and finding the right banks. And I talk a lot about that. So this is, let me move this out of here. So New Jersey Community Bank offers business lines of credit. The line of credit is available to business with good credit, and there's no requirement to provide financial statements. The interest rate on the line of credit is based on the business credit worthiness. So it just gave me several banks here, and you can do that. You can get very specific. Then you can type in give me best local credit unions that offer 0% business credit cards in the state of New Jersey. I'm getting a little bit more specific. Now I want 0% offers. Then I ask the business lines of credit. Then I offer business credit cards. Then I can say personal lines of credit. Then I can say business loans. You can get very specific. Jersey Shore offers a business credit card, 0% interest for 12 months. State Farm Business MasterCard, 0% interest for 12 months. So this is how you can utilize artificial intelligence to help you get business funding. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. Now I'm going to type in, give me all the local credit unions that offer personal lines of credit in the state of New Jersey. Now, again, you can get very specific. You can say the state of New Jersey, whatever state you're in. You can say town. I'm going to do that next. In the town of, all right, let's see what it comes up. So it says Affinity Plus Credit Union offers personal lines of credit with good credit. There is no requirement to provide financial statements. There you go. No proof of income. Atlantic City Federal Credit Union offers personal lines of credit. Now, let me try another prompt. I'm going to type in, give me the best local credit union offers the highest personal line of credit in the state of New Jersey. I'm actually you can also do it with personal loans. Keep that in mind. The highest personal loan. I'm going to try that next, and then I will finish this video. So give me 1 second. Results, it says State Farm local credit union offers a personal line of credit. The State Farm personal line of credit offers a maximum of $40,000. That's crazy. This is Jersey Shore Federal Credit Union. The maximum line of credit is $50,000. First Harvest Credit Union, $50,000. Check this out. Atlantic City Federal Credit Union, $75,000 maximum line of credit. Then Affinity Plus Federal Credit. This is a $100,000 personal line of credit. This is a max line of credit. I've never heard anybody talk about this. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. That's my time. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. It does help with the algorithm. That's my time. My name's Toby Rosario. Peace.